This is a problem with the tiller. The bearing blew out. We ended up putting
Control to the bottom of Rocky Top.
Put so much stress on it. We put the denture clutch in backwards and put too much pressure on it, and within 10 minutes operation, the bearing was gone. This is why we're doing it again for the third time.
Control to the bottom operator of Rocky Top lift 5. Go ahead. Hey, we're a little tied up. We're not gonna.
Alright, so this is the clutch for the 100. I put this together already, and I put this spline piece in backwards. There's supposed to be a flat piece on the outside. I put it on the inside, so I gotta swap it around. I've got some grease to put on in there. Yeah. Really is. I haven't seen it on the computer. It's pretty up there.
It just drains it.
Oh, you know. The percentage going down. I think it's going to go off.
It's just 3 hours.
What? Oh, let's go. Alright, all the bolts are torqued, and it is in, and the flat piece is on the outside. I think we're ready to put it back together the rest of the way and back in.
What did it?
How'd it go there? Are you good? We're good?
Yeah, put it on. That's your job.
Yep. Yeah, they go on the other side, you know, the there's a flat side, and there's this like a spline side, and heading backwards, so the flat side is facing the inside. So when the motor is, I kind of motor push the whole toe shaft towards this side, and yeah, just rubbing it there if I can do all this. So, I don't know, well, we did it twice. I did once, and I didn't know we did it again, and still did it, so then I fucking the first time I put the other one. And turns out it's not the case, so we talk to you like, wow, there's a bunch of things to look at, and then, oh, you take a look, like, yeah, and then I have to walk out and check it, and then of course, yeah. Yeah, hopefully it's all. I'll get this done. For what? Something else. Things like sun trails are based on Todd, probably things can go like 2 months ago. No, Brad just wants to like things we do like we real like this one where there's like 5,000 something else and pop up, so. just thought we should start putting some of our odd jobs so that, in the first layer to look at it, like, oh, okay, you did this and this and this. So, this is manual. That's not fucking cool. And that's why I put it backwards, because there's no manual. I just did it, and that's it. Yeah, hopefully you'll see it again. Bell housing for the
What are you doing, Casey?
I'm putting the bearing in.
How do you do that?
Now press it in. Hopefully.
We like clamp it up there or something?
That's what I've been doing. Like just finding a good spot. Yeah, it works really good.
That's what we're check it out.
Check that out. All right, how do you guys hook all this shit up?
Crap, Casey.
How do you hook all this crap up?
I think it's the film.
Is it?
Yeah, you gotta put some air in that. Or, oh, connect right?
Okay, it is ready.
You might need to raise this platform up. Or you're gonna run out of piston.
Okay.
Good thing we have the
Where's the cranker? That's okay. Usually gets cut out if it's not shit.
Let's just put something underneath this. That's a lot easier than making this thing.
Really?
We could just snap those slabs. Yeah, just snap those. Freaking.
If we'll find out. Yeah, you can tap the screen. It's just.
Yeah. Wow. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's hard.
Pillow. Go over here. How deep do you get it?
All the way, I think. Remember, I have screwed this up twice now, so take whatever I say with a grain of salt.
It is nice how precise you can do this.
It is pretty sweet, actually.
It is. But it still sucks.
See, I don't get it, so that's in there, and that's in there. But how does the washer sit?
It's like you're teaching.
It's learning as I teach. Alright, that's good enough for it now. Nice. Press it. Let's see. And one second, with me, just pull a piece of it. I'm not, look up here. It's on there, colors. Ah, it is. So get that header in there. So tell over. Drop it off. That's it. There's nothing here. So, Alright. Get the motor mounted. Got the bar installed. Now it's got to tighten these 4 bolts. Hopefully it holds up. Okay. Alright, got the tiller installed. Spins freely. Washed it off. Got all the hoses connected, got the motor installed. Hopefully it goes well. This is the 3rd attempt. Yeah, that's okay.